everyone. I thought I would explain a little bit about the timing and how to practice it for the beginning of the Liszt Hungarian Rhapsody, because even though it seems rhapsodical and you could just kind of do what you want, you have to follow the timing and the discipline of it. So you can do that in different ways. One is to micro count. So it's in 2/4 time. It's lento, which is slowly, but capriccioso, and well marked with all the accents. So if you take each quarter and you subdivide it, micro count it into 4/16ths, then it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a writ on there, it's poco writ. Now when it comes into this next section, it's andante mesto, so it's sad, and so you can't just race through it. It's got to be slow walking pace, but 1, and there you can micro count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you linger a little bit extra long before the 16th note and then go quicker into the second beat, it makes it a little bit more rhapsodic and like the dance, that kind of thing. And those are 2 30-seconds, so that's 1/16 just for those two notes. So that's count 4, 4, 1, 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where that gets you over the first page. But in that part there, if you count it really slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuff. Now that's one that you can do slow, heavy, uneven practice. But if you go evenly, slowly, bring down here. So if I do it slower. Watch the spot where I bring that left hand in. I just watch in the run till I get up in around there, and I can put it in approximately there. So now they want to pause, so then this has got to be dolce, sweetly, with grace. So it's got to be voicing the soprano. It can't just be. That I use 3, 2, 4, and then a 3, 2. So. have to practice it. But that gives you an idea of how to spread out the notes in the counting. So without me talking, I'll try and play a little bit of that again. I don't like that because the wrist wasn't loose enough and the tone was forced. It's got to be well marked, but without pushing. That's no good at all. So I'd have to practice right in the keys. I nearly had it there. No, I don't want the left to come in until I'm in around that area there. And I went too far down there. So I got to know to stop at the double sharp. It all, but that's just, it gives you a general idea of how to start the piece.